Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to download ebooks onto your phone, tablet, or Kindle using the Libby app. So first thing you're going to want to do is open the Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone, and then just search for Libby. And once you've got that installed, open it up. And then click Yes, because you have a library card. And search for your library. Now you're going to want to click on Lakeland Library Cooperative because that's what Belding is a part of. And then click the top option, choose a location. Select Belding and type in your card number. Then once you're signed in, go ahead and click Next and it'll bring you to the home page. And if you're wanting to look for a book specifically, just go ahead and click the search bar and then type in whatever you want. There's a good option on the home page. Roll through that and get familiar with it. If you're just wanting to explore different genres or different guides, go ahead and click the Explore option on the right-hand side. And then if you're just wanting to look for different genres, click on Subjects. It'll bring up 111 different subjects. It'll show them at the top. And you can see right there it says place hold. That means it's not available yet. So if you want, you can click on Preferences, Availability, click on Available Now, and then it'll repopulate with your newest preferences. So all of this stuff is going to be available to read right now. So let's just click on one at random here. Go down and click Borrow. Okay, now it's been placed on your bookshelf screen. You can keep browsing, or you can go to your bookshelf, see all of the items that you currently have checked out. And whenever you're ready, just go ahead and click on Read With. And then if you've got your Kindle hook in your Amazon account, you can click on let you log on to your Amazon account and you can read it on your Kindle that way. Or you can either read it on your phone or on your tablet by clicking Libby, this app. And it'll open the book right up. So if you click on the right-hand side, it goes to the next page. If you click on the middle of the page, it'll give you the options at the top of the screen. So if you click on the three lines in the upper right-hand side, you can either search or you can go to specific chapters. And if you have bookmarks later in the book, you can sift through all of those. If you have different font preferences and if you want to scale up the size a little bit, you can do it from there. But yeah, it shows you how easy it is to read books using the Libby app.